excited to bring back Aparna Grovi for Kitchen Tales. She's been sharing really wonderful and very tasty recipes. I'm so excited to bring Aparna back. Hi, Aparna.
Hi, Shefali ji. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Really excited about your recipe. So tell me a little bit quickly about your recipe because I cannot wait to see the video.
Sure. So, since the summer months are starting, the temperatures are rising. Today, I'm bringing you a nice cold and refreshing salad, which can be made with chickpeas and mangoes. Mangoes are in season everywhere now in India. Either sab
Yeah.
mangoes ka season chal raha hai. So, I have used mangoes also in my recipe. So yeah, this is a like very refreshing salad which you can enjoy as a wholesome meal too, along with your uh, grains like quinoa, brown rice, or anything on the side. And also you can use it as a stuffing in the wraps and
So
enjoy it
you
as a
you can
sandwich.
use it both as a salad but also as a meal.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's very exciting. Let's look at the video.
Sure.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Kitchen Tales with Aparna Krovi. Today I am going to show you all how to make kale chickpea salad. As the name suggests, this salad has superfoods like chickpeas and kale which are high source of protein and fiber. And the vegetables, fruits and nuts that goes into making this salad makes it a highly nutritious one too. This salad is very refreshing to eat, especially during the months of summer when you don't want to stand in the kitchen for long and cook in the scorching heat. Apart from eating it as a salad, you can also use it as a stuffing for burritos and tacos. By adding your choice of grains like quinoa, millets or buckwheat, you can enjoy it as a wholesome meal too. This recipe is very ideal when you want to plan your meals ahead or you want to serve it on the potluck tables or get-togethers at your home or workspace. So without further delay, let's get started making the salad. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Kale. I already washed it and removed the ribs from kale. The ribs are too chewy, so I prefer not to use them for the salad. Chickpeas. I soaked them overnight and boiled them in the pressure cooker up to 4 to 5 whistles till they are tender. But if you want, you can always use the canned ones too. Finely chopped mangoes. Since this is a season for the king of fruits, mangoes, I wanted to add them in my salad. But if you don't like eating mangoes or you don't get them in your local, you can always skip them and use avocados or cucumbers instead. Carrots. I grated them as I wanted the salad to be easy to chew. Onions. Again, I chopped onions very finely, but you can always go with your preference while chopping the vegetables and fruits. For nuts, I am taking walnuts today, but you can always use almonds, peanuts, pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, any of your choice. Some dried cranberries, feta cheese, olive oil, salt, pepper, lemon, and some honey for the sweetness. Take a large bowl and add some chopped kale in it. Add some salt and massage it gently for 30 seconds or so. This procedure helps cut the bitterness of kale and also make it less pokey and more palatable to eat. Now add the cooked chickpeas, mangoes, carrots, onions, pepper, walnuts, cranberries, feta cheese, olive oil, Use as it needed. And squeeze a lemon to it. Discard if you find any seeds. Add some honey for the sweetness. Combine all the ingredients together and adjust the seasoning. Our kale chickpea salad is ready. You can store it in the refrigerator and enjoy it chilled too. Now let's see how to make the yogurt dressing for the salad. Here are the ingredients. Some beaten yogurt, minced garlic. You can always use garlic paste or garlic powder too. Some finely chopped green onions, few drops of olive oil, salt, black pepper powder and chili flakes. If you want, you can always use chili powder too. Now take a mason jar and add all the ingredients to it. Yogurt, minced garlic, green onions, chili flakes, salt, black pepper powder and some olive oil. Close the lid and shake the jar till all the ingredients are combined well. Now pour it into a serving bowl. Now add this dressing to the salad and enjoy it. You can also use this salad as a stuffing for your pita breads or burritos. You can also enjoy this salad on the side of some quinoa and sunny side up and enjoy it as a wholesome meal too. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of Kitchen Tales with Aparna Krovi. See you on the next one.
Thank you, Aparna. That was really amazing and yummy. So excited. And as you showed, you can do the full meal or salad. Really excited about it. Thank you again for being on the show.
Thank you so much, Shefali ji. Have a great evening.
You too. Bye.
Bye.